So before we explain dominance is here, we need to know what it is in general. We need to know the definition of Bitcoin dominance. And this is what I do. This is how I teach. I go from the ground up. I go from, because if you don't have a solid foundation, anything you build on it, it's going to crumble. And to simplify this diagram, to simplify all this, just know when Bitcoin goes up, normally the alts go up. When Bitcoin goes down, normally the alts go down. So that's just one way of thinking of this, okay? Bitcoin dominance. If you think about this as a pie, like back in school, you had the pie chart, and the dominance is taking up more than 50% of the pie is Bitcoin. Total market, we have Bitcoin and then we have alts. So that's what the two slices are, Bitcoin and alts. So if it's more than 51%, then Bitcoin is dominating the market, hence Bitcoin dominance. When the dominance is rising and Bitcoin price is rising, this is Bitcoin. This is Bitcoin season. Everything is going crazy. Now, remember what I mentioned earlier, when Bitcoin goes up, the alts also go up. So even though alts are going up, we're making 80%, 100%, whatever percent. Even though the alts are going up, Bitcoin is increasing even more, not so much 300%, but the people buying into Bitcoin, that dominance over the market is increasing. So now both are going up, but just Bitcoin's doing more. That's very important to understand. All this I didn't understand. I had to watch the same video like literally 13 times before it finally clicked. Next, we have Bitcoin dominance going up, but Bitcoin's going down. How does that even happen? People are selling Bitcoin. So the dominance, but the dominance is going up. That just means when Bitcoin goes up, alts go up. Bitcoin goes down, alts go down. Even though Bitcoin is coming down, the alts are selling off harder. That's why when Bitcoin goes down 10%, the alts go down 20, 30%. The alts are getting hit harder. So even though Bitcoin's coming down in dominance or in the price, and people are just selling off, there's more people selling off on the alts. So even though Bitcoin going down, the dominance is going up. The alts get hit the hardest. Next, we have Bitcoin dominance coming down, but Bitcoin's going up. How does that happen? You're buying more Bitcoin, but the dominance is coming down. That's because Bitcoin go up, alts go up. We have Bitcoin doing really nice, but at this time, all the alts are just killing it. 200% gains, 400% gains, 800% gains. The meme coins are going nuts. Everything's going crazy. The AI agents are going nuts. Everything's going crazy. So Bitcoin goes up, alts go up, but alts are going up more. So it's taking up the dominance of Bitcoin. Bitcoin's going up, but the dominance is coming down because people are buying so many of these alts that are making millionaires, and everyone wants to be a millionaire. This one, everybody's talking about the alts and everybody's just getting in. Bitcoin dominance comes down, Bitcoin goes up, alts go up, alt season. Then you have Bitcoin dominance coming down and Bitcoin coming down. When Bitcoin comes down, alts, they go down as well. So dominance is coming down, Bitcoin's coming down, the alts more than likely coming down as well. Because the dominance is coming down with Bitcoin, the alts usually go sideways or they'll still lose money. So for every 10%, they may lose 15, 20% or more. Joe, that was a big old explanation. I already know all that stuff. I'm a genius. I know. But for those that don't know, hopefully that explanation helped. So here on the daily, we can see Bitcoin dominance has been coming down. Come over here. On the daily, we can see Bitcoin has been going up. And now it's kind of going sideways, but still we can just call it up. So Bitcoin's going up, dominance is coming down. What does that mean? Well, we've been seeing it. We've been seeing it the past 3 days. Bitcoin is going up, dominance is coming down, and right now we're seeing it in the alts. How many alerts of y'all's went off? I know a ton of my alerts went off. Let me know if you're enjoying this thought process when it comes to this. We are seeing the alts doing really, really nice. As long as this continues to come down with Bitcoin kind of going up or maybe even sideways and up, we're good for the alts. Once the Bitcoin dominance starts going up, we have to look and see what Bitcoin's doing now. And I actually mentioned this, I think it was like 2 days ago, again, because I'm in these charts all the time. I mentioned to my group, I'm not sure if y'all have noticed this, but Bitcoin is doing X, Y, and Z. However, the alts are doing something completely different. Normally, if Bitcoin went down barely, every coin did the same thing, and then some. And then Bitcoin went up barely, every coin did the same thing. And because I'm in these charts all day, I started noticing Bitcoin doing this and coins doing this, or nothing. Bitcoin started doing this. Some coins did this, some coins did nothing. Some coins. So what I'm doing is I'm finding these coins that are literally mirroring Bitcoin and those that aren't. And the ones that aren't, they were usually smaller market cap coins, which usually that's what happens. So that's a clue, guys. Like I give you pro tips throughout the entire show, but that's a clue right there. Lower market cap coins, they can, well, move faster, and they necessarily don't pay attention to Bitcoin all the time. So I started noticing that, and then sure enough, we posted a few. They're pretty good. Yeah, and that's what I do. I love giving my thought process because one, it shows that I know what I'm talking about. I'm not reading a website. I'm giving you examples. I'm giving you all this stuff. So if you like that, let everybody know about this channel. If you're in certain groups, let them know. Let them know to come over here. You get free content. You don't have to join my group to learn how to trade. And it's so funny that one post, yesterday's X, where it's like, do I have to join your group? Because I'm just losing and support resistance and pretty much trying to run my name through the mud. And it's like, no, man, it's very obvious you don't want the show. And that person has messaged me before about 8 months ago. I'm doing the same thing. And all these results that I post. So this right here, I didn't post 10 charts a day to get this result. 70 a week. This one right here, I didn't post 10 charts a day to get this result. This is in 1 day. This is 1 day. I didn't post 10 charts a day, 70 a week to get this result. I didn't post 10 charts a day, you get the picture, for this one in 1 day. No, I am strategically in these setups. I am strategically placing my targets and my stop loss and my entries and my alerts, especially the alerts. And I'm filtering. Now this one I went a little bit harder than what I put for the group. The group I just told them 2x because I truly do treat your money like it's my money. This was higher risk. So 10x, and then there you go. But all these trades that I show winners, if you're in my group, there's an extremely high chance you're in these trades. Extremely high. Why? I don't post 20 charts a day. Some people, they like to see all these charts. So what I did was I put in another group to where I show you what I'm looking at and the breakouts that I'm looking at. And some of them are taking these charts, and man, by the time we get into them, they've already made a significant amount of money just because I showed them, what I'm looking at and what I'm waiting for. And they're a little higher risk. So I was like, you know what? I'm going to enter right now. Into the trade. But I'm literally showing that when you're entering these trades, we're not posting like all the other groups do. So there's a really high chance you're in these trades. But yeah, just to let you know, I do all this for free. You don't have to join my group to learn how to trade. If you want to make money faster, you join it, not financial advice. But I show you everything here. All these other people, like, they get rich off of you. Here's videos. These videos will show you how to trade. 8 minutes long, 10 minutes long, 14 minutes long, 16 minutes long. These videos will show you how to trade. You can make money by watching these videos. Sad reality is that people go towards the hype and euphoria. Yeah, they do. They're all jumping around, clapping like a freaking monkey. And did you enter the trade? And did you do this and blah, blah, and double talking all the time. That's where all the people go. So the only way we can combat that is watching my videos. Show me love, guys. Show me love. Watch the videos and don't click on a video, like, do a comment and leave, because that literally destroys me. That destroys me so bad. Watch the videos, smash the like, engage with the video. If I say something that was funny or that was insightful or whatever, make a comment about that. And what YouTube does is they pick up on the engagement and they will push out my content into other people's live feeds so that they can hopefully click on me and see, hey, I'm not somebody trying to get rich off of, you. I want to get rich with you, not because of you.